Hey again, it's Rob from Archie and Me. So I'm going to make a quick video today of what we've done so far. Not a demonstration of how to do it, but literally what I've done. So let's go. So these are some of our orders that have come through. So we've got 2 lots of roof lights, roof vents arrived. This is all my silver foil wrap, 6 rolls of that, and there's all my recycled insulation, 2 boxes. So we're literally just waiting now for the guy to arrive. I'm not doing this. Fit a window with a slidey hatch there, and again where it's marked up there, window, slidey hatch, so that's going to be fitted today. But this morning I was going to make a video of this, but it's pretty useless spice up, so I fitted a rear door ladder this morning, so that's pretty much on now. Used an 8mm drill bit just to mark up. I literally held it on and marked it with a marker pen, pre-drilled, fitted it through, pretty sturdy. And then on the back is obviously the mounting plates there that you can see. So yeah, that's all good, that's all on. Waiting for the guy to come and fit the windows, so I'll add this into this video, the 2 side windows that are fitted. And back to work tonight, all good. So rear door ladder.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young.
So that is the 2 windows fitted on the side. So next up now is to do the roof vents and fit the solar panel, and I'll do that on Saturday, so after a few nights work. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video soon. Bye bye.